In this video, I'm going to show you the Friday afternoon at the Giga Berlin. The work is winding down for the weekend and trucks are leaving the Gigafactory construction zone. This is Armen Harayan from Torque News. I'm about to show you a video of a beautiful Friday afternoon in Grunheit, Germany, which is going to be home for Tesla's European Gigafactory 4, known as Giga Berlin. But before you see the video, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you may receive the upcoming updates from the Giga Berlin. So you just saw today, Friday, the 28th of 2020, was a wonderful Friday afternoon here at Giga Berlin. We had sun with rays, and as you saw, the Tesla workers were preparing for the end of the day and may even be at the end of the week preparing for the weekend. I don't know if they will work on Saturday, but you saw trucks starting to leave the Giga Berlin's construction zone. You saw the fence around the Gigafactory, and it looks like the Giga Berlin is ready for the new round of construction work next week. We can characterize this past week, as the week of clearing the forest, fencing the area, and turning on the power supply. These things you saw in my previous videos throughout the week. If you haven't seen them, please take a look at them and you can see what really had happened throughout the week. We had updates about the Gigafactory almost every day. Next week, we should see more heavy equipment being brought to the Gigafactory, hopefully, and the work continuing full-fledged. This should be an interesting week coming up after the court order, the approval, the fencing and clearing the forest. Now, let me know, what do you think is next for the Giga Berlin next week? Let me know in the comments, please. And in the meantime, if there is anything interesting, Torque News will bring to you here. But please subscribe to our channel and enable the bell notifications so you may be notified when we bring more updates about the Tesla, electric cars, Giga Berlin, and automotive industry in general. Have a blessed day.